Hey, ice lovers. Join us as we tackle the initial cleaning of our brand new ice maker and explore how it transforms water into perfect nugget ice. Wipe the exterior with a dry cloth. Plug in, fill it with clean water, and press the ice or clean button for 5 seconds to kick off the 15-minute auto cleaning. Once it's done, I'll unplug the machine and remove the drain plug to let the water drain from the reservoir and upper tank. Put back the drain plug. Your Nugget ice maker is ready to make amazing ice. Keep a 6-inch space around the machine. The ideal temperature is 59 to 90 degrees Fahrenheit. Remove the ice bin and fill the reservoir with drinking water. For best results, use filtered, purified, or bottled water. Replace the ice bin, plug in the power, and the ice maker will enter standby mode. Press the ice or clean button to start. The indicator light will turn white as it begins making ice. The ice bin will fill up. An indicator will show when it's full. Open the lid, remove some ice, and the machine will keep making more. Note: since the machine lacks insulation, ice will melt slowly if left too long. Transfer it to the fridge for storage. In standby mode, short press ice or clean button once to start the ice making process. When making ice, press ice or clean again to stop making ice. In standby mode, press the ice or clean button for 5 seconds to start auto cleaning and press again to stop the cleaning function. The indicator means there is insufficient water. Please check the water reservoir. When the indicator lights up, it means the ice bin is full and needs to move the ice. In standby mode, the ring indicator light stays red. In ice making mode, the ring indicator light stays white. In cleaning mode, the ring indicator light flashes white. We hope you found this video helpful. Looking for more inspiration or have any questions? Visit EUHOMY.com and connect with us anytime.